So here we need to show that the points A, B, and C whose coordinates are given are collinear. Okay, let us begin. So what we'll do first, we're going to consider some origin O. So let O 0, 0, that's going to be the coordinate of the origin, be the origin of some coordinate system, and it's going to be a two-dimensional coordinate system such that we can define the position vector of point A as the position vector of point A. This is going to be given by OA vector. That's defined by 3 minus 0 I cap added to 4 minus 0 j cap. So here what we have done, we have taken the difference of the x coordinate, and here we have the difference of the y coordinate. I cap and j cap are going to indicate the direction along x and the y axis. So this will be given by 3i cap plus 4j cap. Then we can define the position vector of the point B. The position vector of point B, which is OB vector, so that's going to be given by negative 5i cap plus 16j cap. And position vector of point C, so that's OC vector, that will be given by 5i cap plus j cap. Next, what we'll do, we will define the vector AB. The AB vector, that's going to be given by OB vector minus OA vector. That means we are taking the difference of the end point and from it subtracting the difference of the initial point. So what is OB vector here? OB vector, that's negative 5i cap plus 16j cap. And from here, we're going to subtract the vector OA. So that's 3i cap plus 4j cap. So this is going to be negative 8i cap. 16 minus 4, so that's going to be 12. We have 12j cap. So here we have the vector AB. And we have the vector BC. So BC vector is going to be defined by OC vector minus OB vector. What is OC vector? OC vector, that's 5i cap plus j cap. And from here, we're going to subtract the vector OB. So OB vector is going to be negative 5i cap plus 16j cap. So we have 5i cap minus negative 5i cap. So that's 10i cap. Well, negative 15j cap. Now what we can do, we can rewrite V. So here we can express BC vector as, let's say if we take negative 5 as the common vector. So we have negative 5 multiplied to negative 2i cap plus 3j cap. So this is going to be BC vector, and we can also rewrite AB vector as AB vector will be equals to, so we're going to take, let's take 4 as the common vector. So we have 4 times negative 2i cap plus 3j cap. Now what we can do, we can furthermore divide both sides by 4 to get 1 over 4 times AB vector. This is going to be equals to negative 2i cap plus 3j cap. And for BC vector, if we divide both sides with negative 5, so we have negative 1 over 5. BC vector, that will be equals to negative 2i cap plus 3j cap. If we combine both of these two vectors, so we have negative 1 over 5 times BC vector. This is going to be equals to 1 over 4 times AB vector. Or we can say BC vector will be equals to negative 5 over 4 times AB vector. So here we have expressed the vector BC as some scalar lambda multiplied to the vector AB. Here lambda equals to negative 5 over 4. Now whenever this particular criterion is met, this simply tells us that the points A, B, and C are collinear. So we have successfully proved the problem.